Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are looking at a Britton Homes. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent, and we are located in Mustang Lakes. Again, we're taking a look at this beautiful model home, and this neighborhood is jam-packed with a bunch of amenities, so make sure you stick around so you can find out all of the information you're going to need if you're planning on moving here. So first, let's cover some of the details of this plan. So this one in particular is the 523A, which is a 3,000 square foot home. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 1-story house. It does have a 3-car garage, which is really nice. And the price point is gonna be at around $681,000. Keep in mind, there is one home available. This neighborhood is fairly old. There's still some options to move in, but this is the last phase for them. I think the next phase that they're building is gonna be 100-foot lots, which are gonna be extremely expensive, a lot bigger homes. So this might be your only shot to be able to get some of these houses. There's one currently available, completely different plan, starting in the 850s. But let's take a look at this model home so you can kind of get an idea of what the builder looks like, what the style of the house is, and you can perhaps give me a call and we can go check out the lot and the neighborhood for that last home if you are interested. So right now we're walking through this little hallway. We just saw that bed. And then we have this entrance here, which would actually be more of the garage entrance. So you have your mud room right there, washer and dryer, with some good cabinet space up top so you can have that storage. And you do have a nice sink, which is always a plus. On the left here is gonna be a bedroom. This one does have a full bath as well. So if you're gonna have any guests staying over, or perhaps you have kiddos that are a lot older and they want their own private bathroom, this is gonna be a plus. So very nice, full bath, and then you also have your nice closet space. Nothing too big, but it's not extremely small either. And then we'll go walk back out here and check out the rest of the home. So the style of this house is really nice and modern. You see those high beams up on the ceiling. This would be kind of like your media room area. So you have these double doors that just open into this very wide media room. I would probably have to get blackout curtains because of those windows, but it is a really nice area. Kind of interesting location for it. But since it's a 1-story home, you know, it's kind of hard to fit it in sometimes unless you do it closer to the front of the house. Now you do have this kitchen area with a ton of countertop space, a really beautiful kitchen, nice walk-in pantry as well. And the colorways they use, the cabinets, everything like that looks really, really nice. You guys let me know what you think. Drop it down in the comments here. You have a huge countertop, little island there. Really, really nice appliances as well. So if you're interested taking a look at this in person and perhaps going to look at that other property that they have available, let me know. Contact info is on the screen. Now over here, we'll go check out the rest of the house. So you do have that breakfast nook we were standing by in, and then we have right here the backyard. So super nice backyard. You have an option right there for your TV. Really nice covered area. And then my favorite part is the nice little fire pit here. Always a great option whenever it's cold out. You can have the family out there drinking some hot chocolate, maybe a coffee or something, and then enjoying your night. And then we'll go back into here and go check out the master bath and bedroom. And location-wise, this neighborhood is awesome. You are in a great location, super close to 380 and Dallas North Tollway, so you can get to pretty much every other city in the area fairly quickly. So now that we're in the master bedroom, take a look at this beautiful door that kind of guides you into the master bath. And this is a really, really pretty master bathroom. Pretty popular style of this floor plan. Not sure if it's just Perry Homes. I've seen a lot of homes like this, but it's a popular style to have that tub in the middle with that shower in the back. You do have, the one thing I like is it's not 2 entries. I like to have kind of like a wall covering one. So you do have that linen closet, and then you have his and hers closet, I believe. So that would be the other section of it. We can walk on this side, and you have the other side of the closet, and of course that entrance to the shower. So all in all, great bathroom as well. A lot of room for clothes, storage, and a nice modern look to the shower and tub. If you're interested in checking this out, make sure you give me a call. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.